Multiply 9 by 451 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 1. 1 times 9 is 9. The first partial product is 9. Now use the tens digit, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 9 is 45. The second partial product is 450. Now use the hundreds digit, 4. Start two places to the left. 4 times 9 is 36. The third partial product is 3,600. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 9 plus 0 is 9. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 6 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The whole negative number product is 4059. So 9 times 451 is 4059.